My CBS Story presents CBS SME Kapihan, Panaderia Antonio Bakery and Restaurant. A common challenge for every family-owned business is managing money. After all, when all or most of the employees of a business are family, the lines between business and personal blur very easily.
Pinaka natutunan ko habang nagpapalakad ng negosyong ito and as a mom, iisa lang naman po, it's the management of funds. It's how you budget your funds para ho sa pagiging matatag ng iyong negosyo.
The Panaderia Antonio Food Corporation got its finances in order with the help of a friend.
Ang pinaka-importante is to separate the family funds or personal funds from your business funds para mas ma-maintain natin at ma-monitor natin ng ayos.
Miss Camela and Miss Suzette have known each other for decades, and they have a very specific idea on how entrepreneurs and bankers ought to work with each other.
As an entrepreneur, ang talaga pong sekreto niyan is, for me, is magandang relasyon sa bangko mo. Kasi tulad po namin, nagsimula po kami talaga sa humble beginnings. Luckily, ang CBS po ay natulungan kami sa pamamagitan ng pagbigay ng tiwala sa lahat ng proyekto ng aming negosyo.
Hi, I'm Sue Ramos and I'm the manager of China Bank Savings, Dagupan branch. I met Ma'am Camela Sin, the owner of Panaderia Antonio Food Corporation, way back 1998. We started our relationship in 2003, and from then on, the relationship continued.
I started as a depositor, then the relationship grew, so we have their cash management services, and of course, the SME business loan na nakatulong ng malaki para mag-grow yung business namin.
Pinaka-importante would be the personalized services. Nandyan po tayo for all the concerns. We have to tailor fit also yung mga services na kailangan ng client, like the packaging, and we have to provide value-added support. I always tell my client na I'm just a phone call away, and anytime she can call me for any assistance she might need.
Ang Panaderia Antonio Food Corporation is a 26-year-old business. Hindi po namin ito matutupad or magagawa kung hindi dahil sa relasyon namin sa aming bangko sa CBS, no? Dahil sila po ay patuloy na naniniwala at sumusuporta sa bawat proyekto namin. Resilience, siguro yung pagiging matatag in times of mga pagsubok or failures. Masasabi ko na hindi kami nag-give up tuwing may challenges, at patuloy na pinatatakbo ang negosyo ng maayos. Na-experience ko po with the team ng CBS is every time po na magpe-present po ako ng project namin, agad-agad po nila kaming binabalikan at nagdedesisyon po ng mabilis para rin po maipatupad ang aming mga proyekto.
The relationship has been very productive, and it looks to yield even more fruit soon.
Hello, I'm Camela Sin from Dagupan City. I'm the founder and the CEO of Panaderia Antonio Food Corporation, the makers of Platter Wraps. Panaderia Antonio started 1998 when we were offered a space in one of the local malls in Dagupan City. And yun din po yung time na yung husband ko katatapos lang po mag-work sa Taiwan as an OFW. And naisip po namin yung bakery since they own the oldest bakery dito po sa Dagupan. Well, Platter Wraps started after our 3 years after we open our bakery. So kaming mag-asawa, nag-isip po kami ng isang produkto na matatawag naming sa amin lang, sa Panaderia Antonio lang. So Plato Wraps was a product of our bakery. As of today, we have 10 bakeries and 35 Plato Wraps, both company-owned and a franchise. In 5 years' time, matutupad po namin ang another 120 stores for Plato Wraps. Every town ho ng Pangasinan, meron ho kaming bakery. And alam ko na nandyan po ang aking bangko na susuporta sa lahat ng proyekto na mangyayari pa for the next 5 years.
It is very hard to stay motivated over a long period of time. But Miss Camela and Miss Suzette actually thrive on each other's success.
So, the most rewarding aspect as an entrepreneur is siguro yung naiisip mo that you provide jobs for 140 employees, no? And at the same time, nasa-support mo rin ang needs ng family mo.
The feeling of fulfillment. Yung makita mo ba yung SME client mo na nag-grow sila with you through thick and thin, na nagstay and nagpakitang loyalty and dedication sa ating bangko.
Ako ay nagpapasalamat sa CBS at sa buong team sa patuloy na suporta na binibigay sa Panaderia Antonio Food Corporation. I hope with their vision for after 5 to 10 years, nandyan pa rin po ang CBS na patuloy na sumuporta sa aming negosyo.
This has been another edition of my CBS story, CBS SME Kapihan.